Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome again to the Side Hustle Pursuit channel. Now, you've probably clicked on this video because you want to know a little bit more about this particular program. And with being very unbiased about it, I can tell you most things that I've spent money on, most things that I've joined, I haven't had a lot of success. So you can imagine going into this that maybe even I was a bit skeptic, and most people are when they get involved with things and pay any fee whatsoever. But let me say that in the last 30 days, not only have I seen an increase in what I've made, but it's the most I've made with any program. So it's interesting that given the chance to put the effort in and take a chance on this, I actually made some okay income based on what I did. And we're going to say these are review videos for products. You have them in your house. Everybody has different things in their house they probably bought from Amazon, or if you have them in your house, they may be something that Amazon sells. So just imagine, for instance, you're going around your house and you're seeing if Amazon sells that particular product. You make a review for it, you post it, and when the person watches the video, boom, you get a commission based on the person that views it. Now, this is a very unique program in that sense that I haven't seen anything out there like it. And because Amazon has traffic that's already warm, you're at an advantage. Now, I used to do blogging, and I can tell you, anytime I've written about products and I've used Amazon affiliate links based on those products, it can take a long time to get traffic, even just to your blog. So whether you've been involved in drop shipping, blogging, maybe even some sort of recruiting or MLM, this is different, and this is straightforward. So I've been doing this for a little while now. I'm even very green in it, but I can tell you that if you're interested in the program and you end up getting it through my particular link, and let me be clear that I'm an affiliate of it, that I can give you a blueprint on how to really build on social media to get those people to see your items maybe faster. And while I can't make any real promises, I can just tell you what's worked for me. So if you want to know more, ask questions, leave questions in the comments, and if anything, check out the pinned comment where you can find the direct link there to the site and learn a little bit more about it and have access to it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.